Hi everybody, it's Lee here from the Evolution Power Tools design team based in Sheffield. Today we're going to take a look at this here classic table saw. It's the 255mm multi-material cutting RAGE5S. The workbench we usually have here is out of the way for this one. We got big tools here and we need all the floor space we can get. Let me tell you something though, we're aware of this Facebook group that's out for the RAGE5S. Some of the comments you guys have been making, you can be sure Evolution have listened and seen this. So well, I can't disclose any specifics or dates. You can be sure Evolution have heard you. I'll have to say, watch this space for the updates on new Evolution products you may be interested in. If you like these technical videos, if it's of interest to you, please do hit that bell notification. It'll really help us out and we'll continue bringing you the power tool technical content you love. With that being said, let's dive in. Okay, so the main purpose for this month's technical video is to provide all you with an in-depth guide on how to assemble the RAGE5S. So if that's something you're going to find useful, please do click through on the links below to enjoy the support video on how to do this. We take you off-site to the Evolution website to do it. You'll see me open up, unbox this video, take all the parts out and assemble it using the supplied instructions. I'll take you through the whole process as I go through my own assembly. The aim is that you should be able to follow along with your process and build your RAGE5S without having to keep pressing the pause button as much as you may have to do with some other assembly videos that may be produced there. I'll run through all the parts supplied with the machine and also which tools are recommended to have in place when you're undertaking the assembly. Once assembled, I'll run through some of the features of the RAGE5S, which sets this contractor table saw design apart against other standard table saw designs, including the left and right table extensions, the fold-up design, which is great for portability and transporting the saw around your workshop or worksite. Once the setup is complete and you know what new features you can enjoy, we'll dive into the calibration of the saw. How to set the blade square at 90 and 45 and making sure the blade fences are level and square with the tabletop. Whatever adjustments may be needed, we'll make sure that you're covered so your saw is set up and ready for accurate cutting every time. So, if you need any assistance, be it assembling or setting up your table saw, then click through on the link below now for the full guide. Of course, if you require any further information, some support, or perhaps you just want to drop in, ask us a question on either tool, you're more than welcome to stop by leaving a comment. We'll definitely get back to you. Well, that's me done for the day, so have yourselves a good one. I'll see you on the next one.